Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather.
Blizzard 2011. Here we go.
Since my man and
Ready, Jane? Blizzard 2011.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Got it.
Keeps raining all of the time.
Hi, I'm Jane Acker. This is Park Ridge, 2011, February 1st, Tuesday night. Blizzard of the century. As you can see, it's very windy. Blizzard 2011. Blizzard 2011. It's snowing like crazy. It's 9 o'clock at night. I'm with my father. Look at all the snow. The streets are covered. It's windy. It's crazy. I'm moving everywhere. Look at this. This is Jane Acker. Park Ridge News. This is Blizzard 2011. I'm here today to show you guys what's happening outside your doors at this very moment. You all may be snuggled up warm, but I'm out here facing what nature wanted us to. Is this a message from God, or is this just fate? We will never know. But be sure to get outside and see this wonderful place. We'll take a commercial break now.
All I do is pray.
No traffic around. It is 9:30 at night and the plow has just gone through, even though it was not an expected thing. The severe storm has appeared to be so severe. Oh, here comes the car. Hey, it got up to 40 miles per hour. She didn't wave. See ya. Who says Chicago doesn't compare in snow? This is what I call snow. Doesn't compare to Alaska. Look at this.
Hold on. This is Jane Acker from. Go.
This is Jane Acker from Park Ridge Action News, and I'm here with a 7-Eleven worker. Have you been busy today?
Yeah, it was busy until the 4 o'clock, very busy. Now it's slow.
Yeah, what have people been mostly buying?
People buying milk, bread and stuff like that mostly, and cigarettes.
Have you been able to cope with all the extra business?
Yeah, it's a fun.
Yeah. How are you getting here and back?
I'm waiting for night guy to come, so I go home. So I'm just waiting anytime he come. I catch the metro train,
Yeah.
9:40. So I'm waiting him to, and then I don't catch the train.
Yeah. Well, you should be very proud because, I mean, you get to work all this time here for everyone else, so.
Yeah, we never close. 7-Eleven never close.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the time.
Signing off. Yeah.